last couple bits are get these windows back together. I've got the full set of screens here, and the screens are all in good condition. The aluminum frames are all square and strong, so we're going to get those put in. In addition, I'm really excited about this as well. I've got the full set of window surrounds. No big deal, you might say, but these end up being pretty rare if they're not taken off and set aside way back when. They usually come in pretty bad shape because it's just thin aluminum. But they do have this slick wood grain on them, and these are the original Westphalia window surrounds. So I'm going to work on getting all these windows back together here, and a couple last little bits, and camper interior will be done. Last couple goodies just arrived in the mail. Some parts from a Samba member, so let's take a look at what we get here today. A couple of cargo door handles, pretty sweet. Went with the original equipment from a Samba member versus some aftermarket Chinese knockoffs, and these should do the part, so I'll get these installed and that'll be it for the interior. Stay tuned to Cloud 9, coming up in a future episode fairly shortly. I've got a surprise episode, and you'll want to stay tuned for that, so keep it easy out there, folks, and until next time.